Welcome. Today we'll explore how to avoid common mistakes when applying for Australian citizenship, an important step in making Australia your home. First, let's understand the eligibility requirements. Make sure you meet these criteria before applying. Gathering necessary documentation can be overwhelming. Beware of common pitfalls such as missing documents or incorrect versions. Double-check your personal information. Mistakes here can lead to unnecessary delays in your application. Understanding English proficiency is crucial. Be sure you meet the language requirements to avoid setbacks. Next, navigate the character requirements carefully. Ensure you avoid issues that could disqualify your application. Prepare thoroughly for the citizenship test. Skipping essential topics could lead to errors that you can easily avoid. Keep up with your application updates. Make it a habit to regularly check your status to stay informed. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice if you're in doubt. Experts can provide guidance that saves time and stress. In conclusion, remember that avoiding these common mistakes can lead you to a successful citizenship application. Good luck!